call for me is, well, there are a few. I've got a few. A good friend of mine, we always used to enjoy, we'd sit out in the bush at night and we'd listen to the nocturnal birds. And one of the nocturnal birds that we enjoyed was the scops owl, little scops owlet. And it's got a funny little call. It sounds like it's going, kur, kur, kur. Oh, there you go. Gert is much better at the scops owl call than I am. And try again, Gert. Yeah, there we go. That's it. It's a wonderful, wonderful call. And they're very, 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 very loud. And you can hear them constantly calling. The other one, another nocturnal bird that I really enjoy is the fiery-necked nightjar. And that, let's see if I can do it. Gert says he can't do it. No, wait. How does it go again? Sure, now I'm trying to think. I'm doubting myself here. Does that sound right? Almost. Let me tell you what, let's get the app out quickly. Let's just double check. I heard them calling this morning, early this morning, when it's still dark. And the nightjar's got a wonderful, wonderful call. The fiery-necked nightjar, one of my favorite calls. Yeah, no, I wasn't very good. Listen. Hear that call. That's definitely one of my favorite calls. Fiery-necked nightjar. Hang on, is that a bird of prey up in the tree over there?